Hello everybody and welcome to my first beer review on YouTube. Hello, yes, my name's Greg, channel's Boomans Beer Reviews. That name was given to me by, I'd say, a good friend of mine, a loose acquaintance, Mr. Newlands. However, on here I'm going to do a few reviews. I thought it's a good time to do them while we're in lockdown. It's a chance for us to try a few new beers because we can't get very far, so yes, let's do it. So my first beer that I'm going to do is from North Brewing, and it's a collab with Brouwery de Molen from the Netherlands, and this is an XXXK mild coming in at 8.5%. Now, I'm really excited when I seen this beer. I do like a mild. I like all styles of beer really. I'm really not fussy, but I have never seen a mild at 8.5% before. I thought it might have more like stout, like imperial stout like qualities. I don't know, but it grabbed me when I seen it. So I bought this off Beer Amblesyde's website. It's a bottle shop in the Lake District. I'm from Carlisle in Cumbria, and this is localish. So they've got a shop in Ambleside, they've got a shop in Cockermouth, and they're doing free delivery on orders over £50, and also within, I think it's a 30-mile radius, so if it's less than that. So yes, so this is an 8.5% mild, can art black and white. It's that very distinctive North Brewing style artwork. I'm assuming the black and white is a nod to De Molen. Their bottles are very trad-like in the white and black labelling, and obviously I've had a few De Molen beers over the years, a few of the Impy Stouts and barley wines, very nice. So ingredients on here we've got water, barley, invert sugar, hops are East Kent Golden and yeast, and it states, brewed to celebrate Brouwery de Molen's Berefts Festival under the brief tradition. This strongish ale has its roots stretching back to the late 1700s. This beer boasts 100% mild ale malts and 18 gram per litre of East Kent Goldings in the early boil, bringing aromas of vanilla and sweet oak with bold, rich, bruised fruit flavours. So this was packaged on 22nd of August 2019, and it has a best before of the 22nd of August 2021. So shouldn't be, not fresh, but with it being dark and high ABV, it should be okay. So let's get in a glass. And this is when it goes everywhere. Nope. So that is, that is a brown, yeah, it's got hints of reddish brown. It's got a one finger tanned off-white head. Let's get aroma. Well, I'm not getting the vanilla. It smells of red berries, slight berry notes. Yeah, does look very good. Can't see through it at all, as you would expect from, and yeah, it does look like a mild, maybe a bit lighter than some of the milds that I've seen. On my phone here, on my camera, it does look kind of black, but no, it's brown. I would have that as just as an off brown. So let's just dive in. Cheers, everybody. That's beautiful. That's really good. Yes, it's more like a strong ale than a mild. What I would call a traditional English mild. I mean, the milds that I've ever had are all around the 3.5% ABV on cask. Yes, red berries, kind of, yeah, hedgerow berries, caramel. yeah, it's got that strong ale barley wine kind of vibe about it. Doesn't really have the vibe of what I would call a mild, but it's very nice. And then when you drink it, you get a little bit of warmth on the back end just as it's going down the throat. It's got that hint of the ABV, and I can feel like the heat burn now as I'm talking, as it's lingering on. The caramel toffee notes are still there as they linger on at the back end, and you get that berry hint as it goes in. Very nice. No, I'm not getting the vanilla. What does it say on the can? Vanilla with sweet oak. No, I'm not really getting the woody, very slight woody notes to it. But yeah, that's really nice. Sweet, subtle sweetness, not overly sweet, and then the lingering bitterness hanging in there right at the end. That is really, really good. Very enjoyable. If I was going to score that, and I would score my beer, and as I'm looking at it now, the sediment is starting to roll around in the bottom of the glass, so it is very, very lively in there, quite funky. But no, if I was going to score that beer, I would be giving that on the untapped scoring, on the old school 1.25. I'm not into all that paying for untapped. I would give that a 4.25. So we're looking at 8.5 out of 10. That is a really, really good beer. Yes, check it out if you get to see it around, and stay safe in these very strange times. Cheers.